Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another Wenger Swiss Army knife, and this particular knife is a Wenger SwissBuck. And the deal with the SwissBuck Swiss Army knives is they're made with Wenger in collaboration with Buck, and they sort of teamed up to make these knives. And I think it worked out where basically Wenger made the knives and Buck was selling the knives. That kind of thing. Anyway, this particular knife is the SwissBuck Legend, and it's really just the classic, or I think Wenger calls it the Esquire Swiss Army knife. And this is the one where it has the small knife blade, and it has the nail file, and you have the scissors, and these are the normal Wenger scissors with the arm instead of the spring, like the Victorinox knives. And you have a toothpick and tweezers, which are kind of the standard thing for this particular knife. Tweezers. And it has the Wenger style tweezers and toothpick, so they're facing inward, in toward the scale, in toward the center, as opposed to facing outward. Like on the Victorinox knife, the scale tools, the nail nicks are facing out, and with the Wenger they face in. And this one also has the little key ring, like most of the other ones. One thing that's kind of interesting about this one is you see the little logo right here. I think that this logo is probably a problem for them because it should be on both sides, but the one on the back came off, and you can see there's kind of like the space where it should be there, and it's just not there, and it came off. And I also have seen these where they wear very badly. So, and this is the traditional 65mm version, like the Wengers, as opposed to the 58mm from Victorinox. So now the SwissBucks have this kind of the different scale where it has little ridges on the scale to sort of give you a little better grip. I didn't think about it until just now, but I wonder if this is like the predecessor to the Evo line that Wenger came up with, where they had the ergonomic kind of scales that gave you a little bit more grip. I don't know. I never thought about that, but that might be interesting. Anyway, I'll include a link in the description if you want to check out the Swiss Army Knife wiki page and find out more about the SwissBuck knives. And they're kind of there's an entire line of the SwissBuck knives, and some of them are kind of interesting, but I think all of them have a parallel with they have like a parallel version that's just a plain Wenger knife. So I don't know. I had to check and make sure, but I think most, if not all of them, have a parallel version. Anyway, it's just kind of interesting. If you have any questions or suggestions for anything you think I should take a look at, please let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope you'll have an excellent day.